Hi guys, Tamara Lankowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and we are going to make a German chocolate cake in a couple minutes. It's that fast, okay? And just so you know, the cake mix itself with the egg whites and Greek yogurt, the prepared cake is 136 calories, 3 net carbs, 16 grams protein, 6 grams fiber, and 4 grams fat. But as I add the other stuff like the chocolate chips and this, then it's gonna be a little bit more, but we're gonna get into it. So I took this packet from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, I dumped it in the cereal bowl. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of egg whites, 2 tablespoons plain non-fat Greek yogurt, okay? Now this is the nutrition of the cake. This is what's got 16 grams of protein and 136 calories and 3 net carbs. Now we're gonna add to this though, to make it taste like a German chocolate cake. So right now it's just a chocolate cake. So now I'm going to add a little bit of coconut. I would say a tablespoon. I'm gonna add, I don't have pecans, so I'm adding granola, but you should add a tablespoon of pecans. Okay, and we're gonna mix it up, and then we're gonna top it with a cream cheese frosting. We're gonna microwave this for 2 minutes, and then we're gonna top it with some frosting and chocolate chips and caramel syrup. And we'll be right back. All right, guys, I added a little bit more coconut, but I microwaved this 2 minutes. See how big my chocolate cake is here now? And all I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put a little bit of frosting on, because I'm trying to make it taste like a real German chocolate cake, okay? So, and I think what they do for German chocolate cake is they put a little bit of coconut in the frosting and a little bit of caramel. Am I right, guys? That's what they do? Coconut and caramel and pecans? Okay, so we're gonna do coconut, okay, caramel. This is a sugar-free caramel. And I don't have pecans, but I do have granola. And I put these on the inside and on the outside. So if you wanna cut your calories, don't put them on the inside, just put them on the outside. You know what I mean? You could just make the chocolate cake the way it is and then just put the granola on the outside so you can taste it. Okay, usually when you mix it in, you can't taste it as well as when you just leave it on top. And there you go, guys. Delicious German chocolate cake, all keto, all super healthy, high in protein, low in carbs, okay? There's a little bit more fat in this one because of the nuts and the frosting, but it still doesn't even come close to the amount of fat that's in a regular German chocolate cake. Okay, guys, we love you. Thank you so much for watching. Visit HealthyTreatsMarket.com for more recipes and to place an order online. And if you live nearby, we're in the Davison Farmers Market. We're here Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday from 9 to 5. God bless you.